Welcome to the al-dirassa YouTube channel, dedicated to teaching the Arabic language, the Holy Quran, and Islamic studies.
Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss an essential part of Arabic grammar, prepositions or حروف الجر. Understanding prepositions will help you form more accurate and expressive sentences in Arabic. Part 1. What are prepositions? حروف الجر. Prepositions, or حروف الجر, are words that link nouns to other words in a sentence. They indicate relationships such as location, direction, and time, adding depth to the meaning. Unlike in English, Arabic prepositions often cause the noun following them to take on a specific grammatical state called majroor, where the noun ends with a kasra, برفي, or its equivalent. Part 2. Common Arabic prepositions. Let's go through some of the most commonly used prepositions in Arabic. Fi, fa, means in or inside. Example, fil bayt, in the house. Ala means on or upon. Example, ala tawila, on the table. Ila means to or towards. Example, ila al-madrasa, to the school. Min means from. Example, min al-madina, from the city. Bi, used to indicate with or by. Example, bil qalam, with the pen. An means about or concerning. Example, an al-mawdu', about the topic. Ma'a means with, in the sense of companionship. Example, mar sadiqa, with his friend. Part 3. How prepositions affect nouns. In Arabic, when a noun follows a preposition, it becomes majroor, meaning it takes a kasra, sound at the end if it's singular, or a special ending if it's dual or plural. For example, fil masjid, in the mosque. Masjid takes a kasra because it follows fi. Part 4. Practice with prepositions. To get comfortable with prepositions, try using them in sentences. For example, أنا أدرس في الجامعة, I study at the university. ذهب إلى السوق, he went to the market. تحدثت عن السفر, she talked about travel.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Also, visit our website www.aldirassa.com to learn more about the Arabic language and Islamic studies.